another stream of me event. You think after all the times I've done this I wouldn't slip up, but hello again and welcome to another stream where I develop Tempus Chronicle, the dungeon crawler starring the Holostars people. Yeah. So today we'll be working on staging area screen, most notably the embark screen, which is going to give a bit of a preview as to what floor you're going into. So I think I'm going to have the debug save stuff on here, just testing it, because there would be a save active in here. So currently what we have is a list of buttons and a little bar that shows what each one does. And we've got ourselves load game, set file path, get save directory, which is that on there. Save game directory is null. Load games from slot 0. Get save file path of profile number. However, no, that returns that. That's fine. What's this line on line? Return that. Get save file directory, which is this. Save directory. Get save directory, which is create directory, save game directory, but this hasn't been. That string has been null for some reason, even though it's not null. What the hell? Okay, hang on, let me get back into the dungeon scene and work out what's going on. Aha! They have a load state operations thing here, which means I need to add one to the staging area, which kind of makes sense because save load. So we'll call this load save, and this will just have load save operations and leave that as is. And then we'll also plonk this in. Ah, now we have another null reference exception accepted saying map.populate from, oh, there's no find any object by type map tile map. Ah, yes. Right. If... oh... this debug code, so this is going to be chucked out once I've done it, but not yet. I'm not going to delete this either. If map is not null, wrap that in this. That should stop, that should make the exception go away. I had pizza for lunch and it's... I had it too hot and it scalded the top of my mouth. And yeah, drinking tea is not the best way to alleviate it. This as well is going to throw an exception. Var map tile map equals this. So if map tile map is not null, do that. Just try putting the mic over here so it's not blocking my screen. Okay, how about now? Just turn its direction for a bit so it's a bit more off axis. Yeah, that looks alright. It's just in the corner of my vision now instead of having to see past it to look at the screen. More. Yeah, that looks alright. Okay, no save operations, save game. Yeah, if the map tool is not null. We can use find any object by type. I wouldn't use this in production code because it's too slow, but in debug stuff, you know, have at it. Right. I am going to add a map delayed action manager. What the hell is a delayed action? Oh, it's resource management. Right. Loaded game, debug save, yes. Player Party State Manager has all of its stuff in there. So the Player Party State is gonna... Current state would be -1 by -1. That means staging area. And then these two are ignored. Right, finally, let's get on to... I think I've already implemented the staging area menu, the show main menu and show embark screen. For now, I'm going to program the rest of them. So void show status menu. Main menu dot enabled equals false. Embark menu, not embark menu, status menu dot enabled equals true. Hey, Superior Rod! Yeah, long time no see, I do remember you. Glad to have you back. So, yes, lower the music, okay. How about now? Wait, no, it's, yeah, it was getting to the, upper limits of the yellow stuff in OBS. Yeah, okay, that's lowered a bit. Thanks for that. Thanks for letting me know. But yeah, work's been picking up on another project that I'm doing, which I'm not allowed to stream, unfortunately. So, and that project's left me with a bit of mental taxing. So I haven't been able to stream much. but it's died a bit down now. You can watch Paul's World Exams. Yeah, I understand. That's fair enough. Yeah, when I had exams in uni, I kind of had to watch all. I just had to shut absolutely everything else out. Games, everything. To be fair, in uni I was kind of a lazy POS that only played. What was the game that I was playing throughout uni? Oh, I want to say it's Final Fantasy 14 because it was. This is back in the 2.x days, but yeah, I had to cancel my subscription because I had to go study. So yeah, I totally understand. Right, Codex. Actually, I think it might be better if I just copy pasted these. So you can find the Codex menu, instead of being a book, it's instead Regis's thoughts. So what happens is that a little portrait of Regis pops up here, and a thought bubble appears up, and then the camera just pans up to it and shows what the Codex is like: equipment, monster manual. No, not the monster manual. The monsters, quests, cutscenes, that sort of thing, and the framing of the menu is through Regis's memories. Given that, you know, he's a walking monster manual, or so I'm given, so I'm told. But that's just a sort of a ideal case. It might end up not being feasible. Shop Codex menu. Shop. Was it? Show Codex menu, and then show. I might have the load and save. No. I was going to say I have load and save on the same thing, but that's not going to work. Save menu not enabled. Main menu not enabled equals false. Of course, it'll have lots of bugs. Yeah. That's the thing. You've got like this whole animation and framing device for just one menu, as opposed to everything else which is just going to show something else. It might end up being a bit extra. I don't know. Although then again, the what are those pet thingies in Kingdom Hearts Dream Drop Distance? Basically, if you go into the menu there, it has this other thing. It has like its own BGM. It has its own UI and everything. I don't know what they're called. It's like I've only played Dream Drop Distance on the 3DS when it came out. Haven't played the PS4 version, I believe. I know they re-released it, just like they re-released Chain of Memories when that came out. I haven't played Recom either. I've only played the original on the Game Boy Advance. Why am I talking about Kingdom Hearts? Oh yeah, the menus. Okay, so now all I need to do is just hook up all these buttons. So the main menu would be this isn't going to work because main menu getting this canvas goes on, of course. If I delete that canvas, everything's going to be out. Did they make a PS5 version? I think they might have, because 3 released in the PS4 era, I want to say. Like, I'd probably first give him a minute, so I could press the other buttons would have cutscenes and then it would bug out and glitch. Ah, okay. Yeah, menus are very, very finicky. Right, I need to put all of this No, wait. Wait, forget everything I've said for the past few minutes about it. I just needed to, it wasn't this canvas I need to get rid of, it was this canvas here. Right, this is, I haven't done the load save menu yet. But everything else. Right, all of these need to have their canvas disabled. And then I need to create 2 more canvases. Load. Load game. And then this will be save game. Might just make it straight buttons. Well, here are the buttons. Load save menus are easy. Yeah, I've done the load save menu in the main menu, so it might just be a case of making that a prefab and plonking it over. Right, this on click canvas staging area menu dot show load menu, and this is the tedious part, hooking everything up. Advanced settings don't need a fancy GUI. Yeah, it might just be a boy. Oh, it's not. Oh, the drop down menu is not showing on OBS. That's unfortunate. Because currently it says consult Manuel the monster manual, and I don't know. Yeah, I've written this character called Manuel, which is a talking book. And he's like your co-host, like Jiminy Cricket in Kingdom Hearts. And, Atelier Sophie, what's the book's name? Placta, that was it. Okay, finally, and then show embark screen. Show status menu, show... What does it say? Show embark screen. I'm going to rename this. Show embark menu. OCD strikes again. You start to make animations like Blender, Flash. No, you don't use Flash anymore. What if you don't use Flash? What program do you use to make 2D animations? Kinda curious. Simple walk, run, normal fighting anim. Oh, them. All right. Oh, gameplay animations. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Show embark menu, that's what we want. Blender, yeah. Okay, so this back should be calling the show main menu from Flipper Clip is what's used. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's showing my age when I still think Flash is a thing. Right, here we are, embark. Buttons. What do I call these UI buttons? This is the... okay. Embark button. Back button. I know you've got Ace Sprite and Libre Sprite for sprite-based animations. Flash was discontinued, yes. I think I was still in uni when it was, because I think there was just too many security holes. Eventually, not Macromedia. They got bought out by Adobe. Yeah, Adobe just said, "Oh, yeah, it's going to take more effort to patch the security holes than it is to just discontinue the whole thing," and so Flash went where they mean. Plus, HTML5 was in the ascendancy anyway, so Flash was becoming, obsolete anyways. And WebGL. Well, WebGL is more of a computer graphics 3D kind of thing. Where was I? Oh yes, show the main menu here. Show main menu. So if we go into here. There we go. Let's populate this. I make pixel art? It's so hard. I don't make... well, I only make pixel art if I absolutely have to. I'm not the best artist, as I've probably said multiple times already. Yeah, it's... not really, Right, so originally, where did I put it? No, this is the inbox list items. It's here. It is. So originally, I wrote a whole UI map renderer to render this whole map in there. However, it's probably easier to do something else. So, but basically, what this whole thing did was just, it took a dungeon floor map state and it populated these whole mesh using this whole stuff by creating the whole mesh, then adding it to the UI, and unfortunately, it's exactly the opposite way that the minimap in the dungeon works. So it's probably going to be the path of least resistance if I just made them the same. So what I'm going to do is, because this is a main menu, what I can do, and also this background here, it covers the whole screen. So what I can do is have this hidden 3D tile map placed, and then you put a secondary camera here that looks down on the tile map and then renders to this texture here. So this map we can get rid of. Can't you use screening? No, it's not an image I want, it's a raw image. I'm not sure what you mean by screening. Let me look that up. Oh, it's a Roblox function. Yeah, I put screening game dev into Google, and all I got is how do I do this screening interview in for a game dev in job? Yeah. So what's the render texture? I know I have a render texture in here. What the hell did I call it? It's not here. No, that's not it. Misc? No. I mean, but it's called screening. Oh, okay. Where did I put the render? Is this it? No, it's not. I actually forgot what it's called. No, that's cutscenes. It's not this. It won't be in models. Prefabs? UI, visual effects, gameplay time. It's gotta be something to do with the map. I put map into... Here we go. Minimap render texture. Right. Prefabs dungeon. Right. Fine. Let's see. Good. Plonk it here. Can do that. Now, trying to work out how to do this. If I make a new game object here, create empty, and then we'll call this map. And this is going to be the only 3D object in here. So we need a camera, map, camera. Then we also need a tile map. Map, tile, map. Okay, make this ortho, and then we'll have this pointing downwards, like that. Tried using replicated swords and loop multiple GUIs at once to make the move, and it crashed. Ooh. Yeah, just replicated swords looped multiple GUIs at once to make the GUI move. Yeah, just reading that gives me anxiety. Oh boy. Right, scenes. Go back to the dungeon scene. How does this handle it? So the way this handles it is that so basically I want to get this into the staging area. So it'd be grid, tile map, tile map, which has this floor on there. However, I think I only need this. So it's just a tile map on the minimap layer. Right, and then the map camera should also, yeah, set to auto, size 30, culling mask minimap. Right. Let's hope I can remember all that. So if we create a tile map, rectangular, and right. It did have a... I just hope it's not upside... Actually, all I need to do is have local. It is upside down. Or is it? Oh well, we'll find out sooner or later. Anyway, map camera. Culling mask, nothing but the minimap. 30, and then the background is full black. And then we'll also make this a fair bit up in the air. What's the transform on the Oh no, the transform's on the grid. Cell swizzle XZY. Okay. Grid, cell swizzle, XZY, like that. And then the tile map. Put that back there. Yeah, crashing without auto-saving's a bitch and a half. You just tween it to make it move. Yeah, it's like that sometimes. Of course, Unity tweening isn't a thing, you have to use coroutines. Right, so that's what the top map should look like. And if we go into our map camera, surely there should be a preview of it. Hello, camera preview. Man United are 15th. I know, right? I know, right? It's not doing this. By the way, thanks for Marcus Rashford, is all I'm gonna say. But no, we're and by we I mean the Villa aren't. They've got Crystal Palace in about an hour away, and yeah, Tottenham aren't doing that great either. I mean, I haven't looked at the football for ages, so all I know is that, yeah. All I know is that Marcus Rashford is signed for the Villa on loan. We also got some guy called Asensio, who scored both goals against Chelsea. And yeah, we've still got injured. Still got injuries all over the shop. He's probably alright. Something never do great. Yeah. Yeah, but Tottenham never do great. Haven't done great for a while, but yeah, they do get talked about as if they are. Yeah, of course, I was growing up during the Sir Alex Ferguson days, so you know the whole transformation from then to now is just remarkable. Oh, here we want target render texture, that's what I wanted to set. Prefabs, dungeon. It's been 17-18 years since they've won a trophy. Yeah, but it's been, what, 30 years for the Villa? Coming up to, so, wait, is that, last thing was the League Cup in 1995, I reckon. So, you know, everything's relative. Yeah, it probably does show that. Yeah, I'm inclined to agree with you there. Why is everything wrong? I can just do it in isometric. And now everything's just... Okay, focus on the grid. But now I only just have a passing knowledge of football. I watch the cricket more myself. Of course, the Champions Trophies going on in England are just freaking awful. As they usually are, so, you know, I'm not really losing much sleep. Why is this at an angle? I mean, so she should be more of a cricket man. Yeah, apparently there was talk of the Indian football. Like, I don't know if it was. No, this is several years ago that apparently they were saying, oh, India could be the next footballing superpower. It's like, they said the same thing about bloody China, and look where the bloody hell they are now. It's just like, oh god. Yeah, my sister went to India. She went to an IPL game, and you know, the sheer carnival atmosphere there, it just blows anything you see here out of the water. course, you know, my sister's the one with the stable job, so she can afford to go to India, you know, so hopefully Hollow Indie picks me up and I'll be able to go places. Seeing way more football runs. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to be a grassroots thing. You can't just chuck money at the problem and hope things get better. Because you've seen the same thing in Saudi Arabia now. No, we sold John Duran for God knows how much. But you know, if you don't, you know, develop your homegrown players, nobody's going to watch you. You know, you got to develop a culture before you develop the teams. At least, yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, it's nice seeing that. It's nice seeing football being picked up. Well, it's nice seeing anything being picked up, really. Variety's the spice of life, as they say. Right, how? Where is this bloody camera? Oh, it's this thing here. Okay, so map camera. Aha! India won against Pakistan, which is celebrated a lot. Yeah. Because India and Pakistan are like us and Australia. It's a bit of a rivalry going on. Entire theatre's built. What, you mean with a big screen just outside the ground? Blimey. Yeah, that sort of thing you only see at the World Cup final round here. Okay, so our map camera is right up here. I have to go with my phone. Okay. Yeah, that 30 minutes or 50 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Wait, why am I drawing on the map? I already have a... Something like that. Big screen shit on the chairs and shade. Yes, yeah, that's definitely World Cup final territory. I think I went to one where at well, it was this AstroTurf place. This was in 2006 World Cup final, and basically my family won this raffle, so they got VIP tickets, and McFly were performing there at half time. So we got to watch the final, and we were sat right next to McFly. And of course, my sister was really big into them. Of course, McFly were like the band back when I was at school back in 06. So of course, my sister was fangirling herself, you know, stupid. I was like, yeah, sure, because, you know, I was already into Slayer by then, so, you know, I was just yeah, McFly, yeah, they're alright, yeah, sure. Right, so what I want to do is that I want to populate this tile map with the thing that we load from the oh, does the map tile map go here? No, because that's for showing them. How am I going to get the... No, we just didn't. I'm going to get the stairs and the chests to show. And interactables, and then if I was to make a 2D plane just for sake of arguments, put this 0.1.1.1. Have this 0.1 on the screen, and then .5, and then this is, I don't know, 5.5, and then I'll just change this sprite to whatever it says, just place them on there. That's probably going to be the better way of doing it. Right, what class do I need to put onto this, the camera, or the render texture? So go back in here, embark. That render texture material. Do I have to set a material? No. That's the wrong material anyway. If I play it... Oh. Okay, yeah, we just need to take the audio listener off of here. And... there we go. Right, we need to set its bounds so that there's no... what you call it here? Or I could just make it so that the alpha of the thing was just plain black. Minimap on here. Okay. The tile maps are going to be bigger, so I think we can leave it at 10. And then I need to make it so way that if I right click on here and drag it, it will pan around, and I need to have the camera placed on the upstairs, because that's where you'll be entering the dungeon from. How tall am I? About... That's a really random question. I'm above average height. Obviously I don't want to give away too much information about myself. Actually, yeah, what the hell, 181 centimeters. So that'll be 5'11", I think. Anyway, I just round it up to 6 feet, so you know. Okay, so that's fine on here. That's just showing, making the character up. Oh, okay. Random world building. That reminds me, I do need to update the game design document with the new stuff. So currently what I've got is a basic outline of the plot and the main NPC, but I don't have anything about the player characters. Of course, the player characters are the Holostars, so yeah, they're kind of already defined characters, but how they're going to act in the story, it's a bit. Would the real Regis Altair act like this? And you just keep second guessing yourself. So yeah, I do need to write some stuff about that in the GDD. Okay, so the map grid has the render texture, but it needs a script that populates the world map based on it. So what script is that? Because I know for a fact it's the grid manager. Shit. It's the grid manager, isn't it? Yeah. Grid manager here, which handles everything. I know I had to split this up. This map, tile map, what does it do? No, this just reveals it, which is what we'll need, because we don't want the whole thing revealed. Do I watch anime? I do. Well, I used to. Now I just read. I read a bit of manga every now and then. But yeah, I really want to get back into anime. I think last thing I watched was Tomo-chan is a Girl, and that is spring 2023, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe summer 2023, I'm not sure. But yeah, just watch old stuff, really. Code Geass, Haruhi Suzumiya, Slayers, you want to get really old. Legend of Galactic Heroes. Did I say Haruhi was old? Have I watched Hunter x Hunter? I'm familiar. I know of it, but I haven't watched it. Shonen's not really my cup of tea, to be honest. I do like Gintama, but that's about it. As far as shonen goes. Right, so I think I am going to need one of these that reveals the tiles based on there. So the tile map is in the minimap layer, but then... Now, of course, because this tile map gets hidden when we start... Yeah, this tile map gets... No, sorry, not that tile map. This tile map gets hidden when we start it, so the map tile map needs to... So we do need two tile maps in the staging area. Okay. Don't save. Also watched, what was it? Shikanaka Noka Noka Koishitan-tan. Mainly because that bloody brainwhat OP. Which is now in my head. But yeah, that was entirely my fault that I've got that song in my head now. Okay, so we turn off the tile map renderer on this. We can set the map tile map on here. So give this the map tile map script. Sight range are free, but we won't be doing that. We just need the revealing stuff on there. But we need to load the... We need to load it. You like isekai? Social Shenanigans, they do. I like Konosuba. Konosuba's definitely one of my favourites. I think I've actually read through the whole of the not all of the light novels. I think I need to read the last couple. Yeah, Konosuba's brilliant. Okay, so where is the embark screen? Here. Staging area, and then we set the unlock Tempus point on embark button, on back button clicked. Oh. Yeah, we can get rid of this, that's useless. And then dismissed as well. There's no references to it, so we'll comment it out. We can always put it back later if we need to. Do you like Log Horizon? Because yeah, that's another set of light novels that I've just read a lot. Tensure, SAO, ReZero, Mushoku Tensei. Oh, Tensure. Oh, that's the slime one, isn't it? Yeah, I do like the slime one. SAO, I'm a bit. I think all right. This is a bit of a hot take, but I think SAO Abridged is better than original SAO. I mean, like I said, it is a bit of a hot take. ReZero. I haven't watched ReZero. I've seen a lot of memes about it. It just doesn't seem like my cup of tea, and I'm not familiar with Mushoku Tensei. I mean, I've heard of it, but just don't really care to watch it. Right, public void, load dungeon floor map. Int branch, int depth, and then it'd be load save operations. I'm gonna put this on the other monitor just so I know what's going on. And of course now my microphone's in the way. Get save path, get floor map directory. SAO bridge was supposed to be better. No, I think they liked the original, but I think it is better. Yeah, I mean, at the same time, you know, SAO was like one of the first isekais, so it's like you kind of have to forgive it for getting stuff wrong. Like, you know, Asuna's character post Aincrad, the fishing arc as well, you know, and I think SAO Abridged has the benefit of hindsight, so he says, right, get rid of that, change this, change that, and that makes it, you know, better while still being a parody. I think that's also why Konosuba was a thing. You know, it came late enough to mock the whole thing and working out what works and what doesn't. Right. Where's the loaded profile? Oh, there we go. Loaded profile index. So the loaded profile is set automatically from load save operations, which is all right. Yeah, I think I read the first volume of SAO, and I don't know. I think I didn't think it read quite well, to be honest. I watched the anime, and then I just got kind of lost interest post Aincrad, and the ReZero is definitely really good. But the only isekai when the MC actually suffers. Yes, I mean I know the premise. So it's probably the most done all of anime. Yeah, I mean I know the premise of ReZero, but I haven't actually read or watched it yet. Write current game no, I want to read the floor map. Here we go. So it's var map state equals load save operations dot read floor map state. Sorry, read loaded save file. Loaded save file floor map states branch and depth. Then does been tons of reasons OP. Yeah, it's just like a normal guy who just comes back to life. And then there's these two maids with pink and blue hair, and one of them's a love interest, and some different. That's the thing is that my backlog is just so much of my backlog's so long at the moment. I need to finish watching Gintama and a bunch of other stuff. I just don't have the time. Right, so we get a dungeon floor map state out of here. Map state dot. Can't physically defeat me, that's fine ways. I was gonna say, just like Kazuma, but that's like, that's definitely an unfair comparison. Cells revealed. Cell state. Okay, for map state dot length x for int j map state dot length y. Then what? Var cell state equals no. Yes. Map state dot cell state, which is a load of bytes. Var revealed state equals map state dot cells revealed. Grimgar and Ashes is pretty good at pieces, and it has no arrow. I haven't heard of that. Right, so cells revealed is just a byte into Boolean because the word true is a shorter string than just one. Because this is designed to be serialized. So the cell state is this, which is going to be a bytes representation of the dungeon tile type. Which means that we need to have another thing that populates this tile map here. So dungeon floor tile map? Do I already have that class? Dungeon tile type. So this will be like what's on the tile. So I've got solid wall, blank, upstairs, downstairs, chests, checkpoints, that sort of thing. Basically, if there's a static object on it, it just tells you what it is. If revealed state ij is greater than 0, if map state dot get cell revealed. Yeah, this is probably going to be better. ij. Then bar tile equals dungeon tile type map state dot get cell type ij. Oh, this returns dungeon tile type anyway. So now we need. Now this should be in its own class. So if I put in tile map. Okay, scripts. Actually, this would be in UI map as well. Map screen, map tile map, and then dungeon floor tile map. Which means that this will be on here. Right, and then I need to... This would actually help if I moved stuff out from the grid manager in the dungeon scene as well, just so I can work out where it's put in, and then we can so just don't have to go back to the dungeon scene and fix it. I can fix the dungeon scene to make sure that it works and then put the new thing in. So this would have a dungeon floor tile map. The script on here, and then grid manager. Take all of these, stick them in here. Because you can see, I've serialized a lot of fields here, and that's kind of a red flag. You know, you may want to split this class up. So here we need to, instead of set tile, it will be tile type, and then instead of the tile map would be a... oops. Dungeon floor tile map. Which has 2 O's, not 3. We'll call this floor tile map. Generate this method on here, and then this will be require component type of tile map, private tile map underscore tile map. Tile map dot clear all tiles. Then also void awake. You're back, welcome back. Get component of type tile map. Then floor map tile set tile up there. Now, if I rename all of these to origin, all the sizes will capitalize as well. Okay, generate property origin, generate property size, and generate method get tile, and we know that's going to be a dungeon tile anyway, so we'll just get rid of that. Get rid of this T here. I said get rid of it, not bracket it. Dungeon tile, get tile of that. Instead of object, this is a vector free int origin, which is going to be tilemap.origin vector free int size, and this is going to just be an alias to tilemap.size. Same with these, just capitalize them because they're properties now. Get rid of this generic and this one. think that's fine. Then now we just need to tile map dot set tile at reint tile. Oh wait. Switch on tile type. Solid tile map dot set tile, and I'm gonna copy this because I'm gonna have to paste this a lot. Solid tile to free solid tile and copy paste that. Clear tile, upstairs tile. You're playing some Minecraft. Ah, okay. Yeah, I have not played Minecraft in bloody yonks. Debug.log warning to do checkpoint tile and default. Throw new argument exception unexpected tile type. And I think that'll be it. So we'll just rename this to position. And yeah, we can keep tile type as is. Then get tile type is return tile map dot get tile of type dungeon tile. Create a pause. And to keep this consistent, I'm going to rename this to position and all. These will also need to be dungeon tiles as well. Right, save that. Back to Unity. Why is my model... Has PNG Studio crashed? Why is my avatar not running? PNG Tuber Plus has crashed. Hang on. I'm gonna have to re-up it. The widgets are running fine though. It's not closing. Hi Hilly. Yeah, unfortunately you've come across me with some technical issues. PNG Tuber Plus has crashed. Okay, now let's try it. Yeah, just need to reboot it. Okay, and then we'll put Don't know why it doesn't save my microphone. There we go. Anyways, yes, hi Ellie. Currently working on the tile map and showing it on the embark screen, which means that we need to redo the mini map in the dungeon, which means it's I don't know if you know of that scene from Malcolm in the Middle when Bryan Cranston's trying to change the light bulb, and it turns out that the drawer is broken, so he has to replace the knob on that, and then he has to replace another thing, and it turns out that another thing has a squeak, so he has to get some WD-40 in, and then eventually it's he does do all this bunch of stuff, and then he gets in the car, and of course the car's broken, and so he's trying to fix the car, and then the mother comes in and is like, I thought you were going to change your light bulb. It says, what's it look like I'm doing? What the hell? I've completely forgotten what I was doing. Oh yes, dungeon floor tile map. The prefabs dungeon tiles. Nope. Here we go. Gameplay tiles. Put this in here. Upstairs tile. Here. Solid tile. Clear tile. Downstairs tile. And chest tile. There we go. Right, now let's hope this works. Yep, looks good to me. Right, scenes on here. Staging area. Right, back to here. Now the grid. Grid. Here we go. Just need to set these things as well. Prefabs, gameplay tiles. Chest tile, clear tile, downstairs tile, solid tile, and upstairs tile. Then finally we go back into the streaming embark screen. Instead of a UI map renderer, it's going to be a dungeon floor tile map. Tile map. Tile map dot set tile. New vector free int ij0 tile type. Right, so read the latest info on there, and then also tile map dot clear all tiles. Actually, we'll put it here. Debug dot log to do load dungeon scene. Of course, because we haven't... Void start. Load dungeon floor map 0, 0, because that'll be the default. And then when we get back in here, when we click one of these, it should show the floor that we're looking at. Oh, no reference exception not set to a. Oh, of course. Me, who's the footballing goat? Oh. That's a tough question. I'm going to be extremely boring and say Pele, mainly because as an Englishman I cannot say Maradona. Yeah, like I said, I'm not that knowledgeable on football, so I'm probably not the person to ask. Right, so this grid tile map has a tile map on there, but it requires a tile map here, but it gets a tile map on there. But the staging area embark screen needs a tile map on the other than the ones in the grave. Oh, you mean right now? Honestly, I don't know. Like I said, I look at the Villa results every now and then, but other than that I don't follow football, so yeah, I wouldn't know. But you said footballing goats, of all time. That would, imply people who are dead. I don't know. And one's in the grave. So, the greatest footballer who is still alive. I must know the great. Yeah, but I don't know. It's probably. Like I said, I'm going to be boring and say either Ronaldo or Messi. Actually, do I have a coin to flip? Oh, I've got to have a coin somewhere bloody around here. My wallet, that'll do. Okay. It came up heads, so Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi is still better than Pele. Yeah, I mean, obviously, if you took Messi and then transported into back to the 1970s, if you took Messi and you transported him back to the 1970s, obviously he's going to walk it and be the greatest of all time. But if you compare it to the actual, he had modern training methods, modern, modern nutrition, modern coaching methods. So of course it's going to be. Like that. But if you turn raw talent, then if you took Pele at 16 and gave him the same coaching that Messi had, who knows? We're talking about football here. I mean, association football, not hand egg. Like I said, I don't know about football. I only came up with Cristiano Ronaldo because I flipped a coin. So, but Ronaldo and Messi are two different players anyway. Their roles in the team are completely different. Ronaldo played behind Benzema his whole career, whereas Messi just played right up front. So, if you try to invite comparisons on them, this is just a fool's errand. Why is it? I need to get some WD-40 on the bloody microphone stand. You have an entire paragraph on why Messi is better. Alright, go on, post it. I'm calling you out. Ronaldo leave him in front? No, he didn't. Can't let a limit, so I'll let you off this time. But no, Ronaldo was an attacking midfielder rather than an out-and-out forward like Messi was. I could have sworn he was. Let's have 1 point for every achievement they have reached. Passing Messi, dribbling Messi, Ronaldo, tricks Ronaldo. Messi, control Messi, game IQ, Messi, pace Ronaldo. Yeah, well. Okay, load the jump map on 0-0, then the tile map is here, so we need to go onto the embark screen and then set the tile map. Where's the weak foot Ronaldo? Are you seriously going through the... Are you seriously going through stats? He's still going at it, oh my word. How long is this paragraph? You must have really done your research over... Oh my... Okay, why is this? Feels like I'm definitely some geek conversation. Look, I know very little about football anyways, so... Right, so it's trying to load dungeon floor map, but it's not even clearing the tiles. Wait. Yeah, it's on here. So we do have one of these. So why isn't this being triggered? Let's have a look in the debugger, see what's going on. Tile map, which is this dungeon floor tile map here. Okay, so we are going on here. Okay, so go through all of this, that's fine. Why hasn't it? Why hasn't it been? Oh, wait. I got rid of this tile map on here, and then if I open this one up. Oh, okay, so we've got this now. Your coup completed against another states club in a tournament, so yeah. Okay. Right, so we're showing it, but we need to move. Okay, so first of all, this tile map we can get rid of. So we don't need 2 tile maps either. So if tile type is equal to the upstairs, we need to set them tile map camera. Private camera tile map camera tile map camera active no transform dot position equals new vector 3 I10J. That should make it so that the whatchamacallit's on there. Then we need to sort of calculate the tile map's bounds and then set the camera's bounds to there, and then yeah. Oh, tile map camera hasn't been assigned. No biggie. There we go. And we've still got nothing. That's because this is not rendering. Go back into the game. There we go. Okay. Enable that. Log this back up, and yep. Here's the. I know that the upstairs is here. So yeah. Right, so we are in the staging area embark screen, so here we do need to put the map icons. A bridge scammer in Minecraft, right? A bridge scammer, not I mean, I know what a scammer is, but I'm not entirely sure what a bridge scammer is. How much they earn. The boss blackmails them. Oh, God. Data. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I wouldn't get involved in case, you know, that same boss gets stuff on you and don't. Bridge is a Minecraft game mode. Oh, I see. You have people. There are people who ask for them to be teammates and ask their Discord and... Yeah, apparently you can get someone's not their exact location, but where it's kind of where they are from, just from sending a friend request on Discord, because of the content delivery network. Obviously, it needs to get a new CDN on Discord, and then you can pinpoint where you are to the nearest server that Discord has. Make you join a server and then steal your data. Ooh, yeah, lock down your Discord. I mean, if you have one. Yeah, that's the thing. My Discord doesn't have any of my data on it. So, I think I'm only in like 2 or 3 servers anyway. But yeah, I have had like a bunch of random friend requests, but I always ignore them. It's a sprite, isn't it? Yes. Begging me not to tell the police because apparently... Yeah, I wouldn't get involved, just leave him be. Boss will leak all of his data. There are actually extorters who will put their personal information on their Discord. You'd be surprised. There are a lot of people who think that Discord is just another social media like Facebook, so they put all their stuff on. Upstairs. Icon. Private sprite. Downstairs icon. They make you fill surveys and Discord collects lots of your data. Honestly, I think that person's data has been leaked already to the dark web, and the guy's just stringing him along, you know, just so he can get some scams out of him. Yeah, if it's just scams in Minecraft, you can leave him be. If he's being forced, like, if it's, you know, being forced to share pictures of himself and he's a minor, then yeah, you kind of have to tell the police. But if it's just scams on Minecraft, you know, just leave it. If you have to, just report his Minecraft account if you really want to do something. Okay, so we've got our time-up camera on here, so we need our chest icon. Private sprite checkpoint icon. No, they especially target minors. Because of course the minors don't know any better. They should really teach you that in school. I don't know if they do still teach it in school, but yeah, one of the things that was drilled in was never share your personal info with strangers. And then of course Facebook comes in and then they changed everything to always share your personal info so we can monetize it. Fucking. Anyway, I'm talking myself into a bloody frenzy, so I'll stop that. Right, I think we need to replace this with a switch statement. Switch on tile type. Solid and blank, we don't need to do anything. But upstairs, we need to do this and also. Oops. This doesn't go here, this goes here. New anonymous fell for a scam like this when a friend starts me. Yeah, scammers are everywhere, so. Apparently the younger generation is not as computer literate. Yeah, that's true. They've grown up with phones, so they think, oh yeah, the OS does it for me without having to, actually use a computer. Too used to touch screens and mobile devices doing all their stuff for them. They grow up on bloody Cocomelon. That's the real reason of it. They watch Cocomelon and all their other stuff on their tablet. So all they know is the bloody tablet. These people have touched a computer before in their bloody lives because they don't need to. Of course, I grew up with computers because, there wasn't anything else. So, I'm lucky in that sort of way. Sprite icon sprite equals null. Then we're going full kids. He said, "Get on my wall." I know, right? Yeah, but joke's on you, I don't have a lawn. Do nothing. And then if icon sprite is not null, serialize objects private. Not sure anyone under 40 has a lawn. Yeah, lawns are thankfully dying out. I mean, I say thankfully, but you kind of need a lawn to play cricket on. But personal lawns there. I could go way into how lawns were supposed to be a status symbol because they required so much to take off, and then when the states came up, they had to bring the whole thing, keeping up with the Joneses, and oh, my lawn needs to be good. I'm doing it, aren't I? Yeah. It's a very middle class thing to have a lawn. We'd hold over from the Sun King. Yeah. Sprite prefab, which is just going to be just a plane with the icon on it. So also we'll need a serialized field, private transform, icon parent, and now I grow potatoes in my back garden. Potatoes and carrots. Also have a little patch of strawberries around the back. Introduced by King Louis XIV, for some reason caught along the middle class. Yeah, because you needed them to play croquet and, by extension, cricket and all the other stuff. But yeah, it's just a status symbol at the end of the day. You just say, oh look, I have all this land that I know that I don't know what to do with. Strawberry plants, yeah, strawberries are nice to grow. They're not too bad. Plus you can grow in, you know, British weather, which is notorious for being all over the place. Right, if the icon sprite's not null, then var icon equals instantiate icon sprite. Icon sprite, icon parent. Instantiate as a sprite renderer. Oh. Icon prefab, that's what I want. Icon prefab. Icon.sprite equals icon sprite. Icon.position transform.position equals this. So I can just make this as var pos equals that. Pos plus new vector 3 0.5 0.5 0.5. No, this needs to be 0. Actually, can put the icon offset up here. Icon offset. Wait, no I don't, I can just set that in the prefab. Oopsie daisy. Then set the tile background there. Right, let's get this prefab sorted. How long have I been going? Coming up to 2 hours, okay. Right. Tile map and then interactables would be here. Create a 3D object which will be a plane? No, it's a mesh renderer, not a sprite renderer. Take that this way. Oops. 90. Interactable icon. Square here. 0.5. 0.1. 0.5. Then the interactable icon will have as 1, 2. Yep, that's fine. And then oh. What about this? Oh no, that's fine. Yeah, it's the pixels per unit size setting that I need to put in. Maybe put them as 0.8 as well, so they don't. And then if they don't look like that, then if they're too small, then I can just put them back to 1. No skin off my nose. Right, we'll make this dungeon. No. UI? What's 1:30 for me now? Oh, yeah, go to bed, mate. Go on. Don't think I'm keeping you up. Yeah, but yeah, thanks for coming, Superior Rod. I know it's been a while, so hopefully see you soon. But yeah, have a good rest. Right, UI is not that much. I don't want to put it in the UI because technically it's not part of the UI. If I do it like, I'll put it here just for the time being. I don't like it, but oh well. Tile map on here. No, that's the embark screen, which is getting a bit of. Is it tomorrow? I might be. Yeah, it's 50-50 whether I'm going to be streaming tomorrow or not. So if not tomorrow, then Thursday. Okay, upstairs here, downstairs here, chest here. Oh wait, we need to check if the chest has been opened or not. Yeah, well. And we don't have a checkpoint icon either. I'll just use this for the time being. Icon parent is going to be... Whoop. Icon parent here, icon sprite there, which doesn't have a sprite renderer. Okay, make this a game object. Instantiates icon prefab, and then this will be icon dot get component in children. Sprite renderer dot sprite equals that. Right, now let's have a look. Let's see what it looks like. And we've got nothing. Variable icon prefab has not been assigned. Of course it hasn't. Because I changed it. There we go. Oh. Huh? Oh, I know. It's so we can't use pos. It's new vector free I0J. And also this has been rotated by 90, but this hasn't, so that's fine? Question mark? I'm not setting the rotation, so it should show up, but it's not. Oh, now it's showing. What? Oh, hang on. I know why it's not showing. Add them to the minimap. Layer. There we go. They do look a bit small, but on a 1080p monitor, they look fine. Right. Shall I implement scrolling? Yeah, all right. Private bool scrolling. Actually, nah, we'll if scrolling if mouse dot current dot get button down, right button dot is pressed. No, wait. Scrolling equals that. So yeah, if canvas dot enabled and scrolling as that, and then if scrolling. Wait, I can just put this in here. Scroll map, because I want to put some controller support as well. So you want to scroll with the right analog stick as well. Delta? Dot value. Okay, and then can never get this right. Tilemap camera dot transform dot position plus equals new vector 3. Value dot x 0 value dot y. Yeah, my throat needs to get back into streaming mode. Okay, let's see if this works. So currently it's not variable canvas of staging area and box screen has not been assigned. Of course it hasn't. Alright. Awake. Canvas equals get component canvas. Whoa, okay, that's scrolling quite a bit. Private float scroll speed equals 0.1f. New vector 3 multiplied by map scroll speed. Then we also need to either multiply or divide it by the camera size divided by tilemap camera dot ortho size. It's going the wrong way. Change this plus to a minus. Okay, so it's not following the cursor, it's a bit slow, so we got rid of this map scroll speed. Now tried it. Nope. So basically what I want to do is that if I click here, the map should move at the same rate as the cursor. No, it's not half. No, it's too slow. I could just hide the cursor. Or just lock the cursor and then cursor equals actually 0.8f. That's a bit much. Hmm. 7.5. Is it 16/9? No, that's not 9/16. Calculator. 9 divided by 16 is 0.5625. No, that's not right. It's still too much. Zero 0.5625. No, that's too much. Two 5. Still too much. One 5. And now it's, hang on, if it's 0.2 on there and it's the two... You know what, I'm stumped. Cursor dot lock state equals cursor dot locked. Else cursor dot lock state equals cursor lock mode dot none. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's sort of masks the problem, but not really. Also need to check if the mouse is over here. Because currently, if I click here, if I click outside of this, and then it just sort of bounds it back to here. Right. Locks cursor to the center, okay. Cursor dot visible equals false, else cursor dot visible equals true. No, because that still moves the cursor. So I am going to have to check this. Actually, I'm going to serialize this field. Range 0 and 1. Okay, so that's too little. About 2.9. Okay, we're getting close. 0.3. A little too much. 0.267. Still a bit too much. Wait, it's fine on the x-axis. It looks like it's fine on the y-axis. It's just on the x-axis that it's screwy. Wait, 5625, 267. Yeah, that might actually be it. 5625. No, wait. 5625 divided by 2 is... 2, 8... No. Yes. 28125. It's fine on the X, but it's still a little bit more. It's fine on the Y, but it's still a little bit more on the X. So dot X. You know what, I'm just going to leave it as is. It's a very minor complaint that stuff's going to have. Thing is, if I scroll, I want to do something like this where you can grab it. But hang on. Unity, drag, move, camera. Click and drag, click camera movement. This should get you started, blah 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 blah. That's got me started. Now to restrict the coordinates and wait access only, blah 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 blah. Here we can have the camera drag move on there. We drag it past the threshold. No, that's ridiculous. I mean, it's already not ridiculous. I've just already done it. Alright, let's set the bounds and then we'll call the stream. Camera bounds equals new bounds. If gets unrevealed, then camera bounds dot expand. No. Intersect ray closest point contains encapsulate. U vector free I0FJ. Then what's the bounds constructor? New vector free. Oh, center and size. So this will be vector free dot 0. Vector free. No. No. Because the what's bounds starters? Hang on. Unity bounds. If I create a new bounds, does that start it off? Create a new bounds with the given center of Delta's bound extent will be half the given size, the location, the origin of the bounds. The center is going to be, yeah, it's at 0, so if we encapsulate it on there. Right. That's okay. Bool bounds initialized equals false. If not, if bounds initialized, then do that. Else, camera bounds equals new bounds, new vector free I0fj, comma vector free dot zero size, and then bounds initialized equals true. Then is there a clip to bounds on here? Closest point on the bounding box. Right. So we'll need to put this on here. Private bounds, camera bounds. Then equals bounds dot camera bounds dot closest point tarmap camera dot transform dot position plus that, no, minus that. All this. And then we'll also need to have it as, yeah, vector 3.0 and then we'll need the camera to be up a bit, so we'll hard code it to 10, that's fine. So technically it's a 2D bounds, but it's on the Z axis, so we have to do it as a 3D bounds. Right, let's see if this works. Yep, can't drag it past. That's bounded good. Right, because this manual sprites default doesn't have. What object is this? Actually, I think I know what it is. Yeah, this. No material. Right, next order of business is to do all these, but unfortunately, I've got stuff to do tomorrow, which I always have, unfortunately. So yeah, stream for 2.5 hours, so we'll leave the thing there. Next thing is to actually get what checkpoints we've unlocked on the labyrinth, and then when you click this, it will show the depth and floor that you spawn at. So yeah, that's something else to do. But then before that, we need to actually implement multiple floors in the dungeon. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a bit of a work. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.